To make the text vertical on Google Docs. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and in this video I'm going to show you how you can do that. First of all, open your Google Docs. For that, you need to use your PC or laptop for this if you want to have a vertical text on your Google Docs. So you can just go to the very insert section. If you're using a PC, then you will open your Google Docs, open your document, then you will see on the top side there will be insert option. When you just tap on the very insert option there, you can also see the very option of draw right there. When you tap on the draw option, tap on add new table. Now on the new table, you need to add any text you want to. Now you can rotate the table as you with your choice, and when you rotate the table, make it vertical, and when you make it vertical and tap on the add option, the vertical text will be simply added on your screen of the Google Docs. So that's how you can pretty simply do it. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.